Hello everyone, welcome back with FreeCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial for exercise number 19. First, you can create new drawings and don't forget to change into part design tools. Click create body, create sketch. I will choose XZ plane. Okay. The next, we can create a pentagon sketch. You can click here, pentagon. Click from the center point to the top. Okay. And then you can set a distance from this point into here. We can set into 65. The next, I will create line, start from this point into here, and I will change for length in this line objects into 95. The next distance in a vertical from this point into here, we set into 42. And then for horizontal distance from this point into here, in here we set into 95 divide 2. Okay, so it will be placed in the center point. You can use the line tools to create lines. Start from this point, move to the top. I will create again from this point to the top, and you can use a trim command. You can click here, trim. You can cut these objects. Okay, also at this point. And then I will select this line objects. We can change into construction lines. You can click here to change into construction line. And you can use these tools for lock constraint. I will lock this constraint. Okay, you can click here, click select and press delete button. We'll lock again in this point. Delete. Next, I will create line, start from this point to here, create again in here, and you can use this angle constraints to create angles in this point into 18 degree. Also same at this line, 18 degree. The next, we set for length this line objects into 17, in here into 17. Okay, use line tools to create lines. Start from this point, we can move to the top, also same at this point to the top, and then we can set for length this line objects 26. Okay, in here 26. Use these tools, arcs from 3 points. Okay, you can click start from this point into here, move it to this point. The next, start from this point into this point. Okay, use these tools, radius constraints, to create radius at this arch. Okay, we can set radius in here into 38, and then in here we set into 38. Now we can close this sketch, but first in here I will delete in the bottom here this sketch. We can right click in sketch and edit sketch. We select this sketch and press delete buttons. You can click close. Now to convert into 3D, we can use pad tools. You can click here pad, and for extrusion we can set into 100. Click OK. So it will be automatically extrude. You can select at this face. The next, we create sketch. Use circle tools to create circle. Start from the center point, and you can set radius for the circle. You can set here into 25. Okay. Close again and use pad tools to extrude circle objects with extrusion 45 mm. Click OK to apply. Now you can select at this edge, and then you can click here. We can use fillet tools. Set a fillet radius into 10. Click OK. So it will automatically fillet in selected edge. Now I will use thickness to create thickness. You can select at this face. The next, in here. Don't forget to press Ctrl button to select multiple face, and you can use these tools to create thickness. For thickness, we can set into 2, and for join tab, I will set into intersections, and use this tool make a thickness inward. Okay, you can click OK to apply. So we already thickness this object, and the next I will select this face. We create sketch, okay, and we use these tools to create a reference edge this point. And now I will set a distance like from this point into here. So it is about 58,7132 millimeter. Okay, in here we create circle at this point, also in here. The next I will set for distance in a vertical. In here we set into 25. Also same at this point, 25. Okay. The next distance from this point into here in horizontal. In here we can set into 58,7132 divided 2. So it will be placed in the center point. You also can click again, like from this point into here. You can type 58,7132 divided 2. Click OK. The next you can close, and in here we can use these tools. Okay, hole. We can create holes. You can set for diameter in it into 35, 34. Click OK. So it automatically create holes. The next you can use mirror command. Okay, you can click here. Select mirror tools. For select feature, I will click holes. Click OK. The next for planes, you can set into easy plane. So to be automatically create hole in another side, and you can click OK to apply. So we already create this simple 3D model for exercise number 19 with FreeCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.